Hello everyone, that's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Apple Pencil USB-C. So here's what the box looks like. We're going to open up and see what exactly comes in the box, but we can see it's the Apple Pencil USB-C. Now it does say for iPad models with USB-C connector and the latest version of the iPad OS. Okay, so there's this green arrow where this is how we're going to open it, and that lifts the latch here, and then we can pull this out. These things are always designed so nice. Let's take this off. Looks like some instructions. There's the pencil. You're simply going to just, looks like you're going to lift this up. It's wrapped in some paper. Might have to tear it off. Two pieces still on there. Let's get everything off. Okay, everything is off. That's how you charge it. You lift it up. That's pretty cool. Okay, what else does it come with? No cable, I guess. Yeah, there's nothing else in here, no cable. Okay, so it uses Bluetooth to attach a pencil to the magnetic side of the iPad. Swipe down from the upper right-hand corner of any screen to open up the control center. Tap the Bluetooth and Bluetooth pair the pencil with it. So all kinds of different papers. There's really only one that applies. A lot of different languages. Just this one here that's kind of this upper section that's in English. Now it looks like you can charge it with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Your iPad can charge it, looks like it. Now these tips do come off. You just unscrew them. There's what it looks like. I'll give you kind of a close-up. I don't know exactly what that is. All right, let's measure. Ooh, it's magnetic. Let's measure it right at 6 inches, with the cap open. You're looking at about 6.5. That opening there is about 3/8 of an inch. So I hope this unboxing helps. Thanks everybody for watching.